I'm gonna miss the excitement of walking into Toys R Us. Look what I just found, this little food section. That would be great if any of this was actually edible, which is not the case. I guess this is gonna be more difficult than I thought. I'm pretty sure this is not edible. Then what's the point of making it look like it's freaking food? I don't get this. I found this set and the foods on it honestly look freaking incredible. But then in the little corner it says this product is not intended for eating. I just found a candy floss maker and also a chocolate fountain. I've always wanted to have one of these as a kid and my mom always said no. I don't want to show you guys everything because I want you to be surprised for the video, but I think I've made some solid choices. Good morning guys, I hope you guys are ready for this video because for the whole of today or until tomorrow around breakfast time, I am only going to be eating foods using like toy sets from Toys R Us, so I'm not sure how well this is gonna go, but it's going to be wild. This is gonna be like a breakfast slash lunch because it's already almost 1 p.m. so might as well go straight into the delicious savory foods. And these are the two toy sets that I chose for breakfast and lunch. So this one is a candy floss maker. This is a machine that makes cotton candy. Not the most nutritious breakfast in the world, but I do love candy floss. So if you're a dentist, maybe don't watch this or any of my videos, honestly. And I know what you're probably thinking, which is, so you've got a candy floss maker and a chocolate fountain. Where is the savory food? This is so freaking weird. But basically, I thought that instead of making a chocolate fountain, because then it would be way too many sweet foods, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna put some spaghetti, some pasta sauce on my chocolate fountain, and then I'm gonna dip some pasta and some meatballs in it. This is gonna be a savory fountain rather than a chocolate fountain. I'm not sure if I'm gonna ruin both of these toys. Even though we're making candy floss, this video is bittersweet because Toys R Us is probably gonna close down and I am never ever going to get to do this, to go and just look for toys and just buy them physically. I don't really know how this works, but basically you put the sugar, the granulated sugar in here, and then it's gonna start spinning, and then I guess we're gonna use this like giant spoon to just pick it all up. That is dangerous, and I kind of understand why my mom didn't allow me to play with this. The instructions on this say to only use granulated sugar and nothing else on this machine, but of course we're gonna start this video by breaking the rules already. I wanted to get colored sugar, but I couldn't find any, so I got some food coloring, and this is definitely gonna set my house on fire, but I'm still gonna do it. I'm gonna use this and mix it up with the sugar. I'm gonna try with just a little bit of the sugar for now. There's something happening. Oh, this is so easy to use. Okay, sorry about that. Trying to get it all out. Not quite the amount that I was expecting, but I think this might be doable. I'm gonna try to show you guys a close-up because this is way too much fun, and we're gonna also add the food coloring. I'm not gonna add the food coloring just yet because I kind of want to show you guys what this is like. Oh my god, it's happening. Oh, I think I'm supposed to do it like this. Oh, that makes more sense. So that's how you do it. I can't believe it took me like half an hour to realize that this is how you do it. This is 100% approved. This is worth the money. It really does work. It smells like cotton candy. This is making me so happy. Okay, I'm gonna switch it off now for a second. I'm gonna mix a little bit of blue food coloring with some sugar. This is most likely going to ruin the machine, but here goes nothing. Oh wait, the tip is looking a little blue, I think. I'm trying to make this. Ah, okay, we get it. Oh, what am I doing? It was going so well. So this is what the machine looks like right now. We didn't really ruin it, but I'm pretty sure this is not supposed to happen. So this is our cotton candy. This one is very much blue. I don't have candy floss a whole lot, but it's very light and fluffy, so I'm pretty sure I did an okay job with this. So here we've got the pasta sauce. It probably shouldn't be this chunky. This is gonna just ruin the machine, but so I'm gonna put the pasta sauce in the bottom of it. I'm gonna switch it on. Nothing is happening so far. There's some little bits of pasta sauce coming up, but on this side it's dripping, but not on the... It's dripping on the other side. So this is trial number 2. I think that's gonna work out, but I'm always blindly optimistic. So the heat is on, so I'm gonna switch it on. Why is it only going to the other side? It's working on one side at least. Oh, this is beautiful. It could still be a little bit more liquid, I think, and it would work out a lot better, but this is definitely not bad. Okay, a lot better. If there's one thing that I learned from this video is that pasta sauce fountains don't exist for a reason, and it's because they don't quite work the same way as the chocolate one. So this is my breakfast slash lunch. I'm gonna start with the savory part because these meatballs look delicious. I'm gonna dip the meatballs in our pasta sauce fountain. Wow. For some reason the sauce is not quite hot. I'm gonna grab some of these delicious pasta twists. I promise it was working, and as soon as I turned the camera on it stopped working, so now I look like an idiot. This is such a mess. From now on I'm only gonna go to buffets if they've got a pasta fountain. I'm gonna come back for the meatballs and the pasta, but for now I want to try the cotton candy that we made, and it's looking a little weird. You know when cotton candy goes weird after? I kind of want to do this thing that I saw on Twitter. That was not enjoyable. Oh my god, sweet sugar. This is the first one that we've done, which is the blue one. I love this. This was one of my favorite meals that I've ever done in one of my 24-hour food challenges because this was just so much fun. So I'm really excited for afternoon snack and for dinner, especially dinner. I think you guys are gonna love that, so definitely stay tuned. It's a little bit later, and for afternoon snack I actually picked something that I've tried before on my channel, and weirdly it didn't work the first time, so let's hope that this time everything goes smoothly. This is called a chill factor. So basically it kind of looks like an ice cream cone. Like, it's actually very satisfying to touch. It's like, it's kind of squishy, if that makes any sense. This has been in the freezer for maybe like 4 hours. So what happens is, essentially this toy claims to make ice cream in 30 seconds. I think it's 30 seconds or 1 minute or something like that. A few minutes, that's what it says in the box. It also comes with a recipe book, but I actually followed that the last time and it didn't work. So this time I'm just going to improvise because I've got a good feeling about this. I want to make some hazelnut ice cream, so I've got some cream. That's like the base for our ice cream. That's probably too much for that container. And this is some hazelnut sauce for ice cream. You can also use just like hazelnut flavoring and then sugar on the side, but I like my sugar already mixed in. So I'm gonna add quite a lot of that. I like my ice cream very sweet. Now we mix it all in. I could have just used some Nutella now that I'm thinking about it. That would be probably a lot better and easier. It's kind of like a light brown color. I think this should be fine. Okay. This is pretty simple. The problem is that it actually didn't work last time I used it. So I'm gonna pour the cream right in the center. I don't think it's supposed to be filled up to the top. Maybe it is. So now we put the lid back on. And I think you have to make sure this is like super tight, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. Stop doing that. How do you make sure this is like really tight? Why is it not? I'm pretty sure what I did last time was shaking the cream, and then everyone let me know that that's not actually the way to do it, that doesn't work. So apparently you have to sort of break like the walls of this toy. It's very bizarre. And it's supposed, on the box it says quick and easy and also doesn't make a mess. Then why the hell is he making a mess already? Is it tight? This thing is also always on sale, and the reason is, it's just because it does not work. The sides don't really fit perfectly, so you can't actually close this. It's really weird, but it really pisses me off that I spent my money on this twice. I've been scammed 2 different times. Please allow me to show you this delicious ice cream that we just made. It just freaking... ah! Okay, I'm hungry, I want to eat it still. Okay. Annoyingly, it tastes pretty damn delicious, but that's not the credit of this chill factor thing. It's the credit of me who mixed up some cream with some hazelnut syrup. I'm gonna read you what it says in the box. No mess, quick and easy, and also you can make your favorite combinations. The combination part is true, but you'd be much better off just putting this in the freezer because this thing is completely pointless. I'm disappointed, but I'm still hungry and this is still delicious. So I'm still gonna drink this, and next time I see you guys, it will be late afternoon snack / dinner time. And finally, it is dinner time, and let's just say that I'm pretty damn hungry right now because afternoon snack was practically non-existent. I found this soy that is essentially a popcorn maker. I mean, you still have to put it in the microwave, so it's not really a popcorn maker, but I thought that we could actually make some savory popcorn and add some flavors, like maybe some oregano, some tomato flavors. It's as close to savory food as we're gonna get. And then I also wanted to get something that wasn't so unhealthy. I managed to find this magic kitchen, and basically you can make some freeze pops out of fruit. So that's exactly what we're going to be making. I actually already opened this and I already made it, so I'm still going to show you how you make it, but I've already put some in the freezer because this takes many hours to freeze. We're actually going to start with preparing the dessert, and basically what I did was slice a lot of different fruits. Let me show you what's on the inside. So these are the tools to make the freeze pops. You can also make them using some like yogurt or some fruit juice. That's why it's called like this little like injection style thing. It's just so you can like absorb all the liquids, but we're actually not going to use that. I'm going to start with the kiwi, for example. So all you have to do is press it down and he cuts it into a perfect circle. So, oh my god, what happened to my watermelon? Ugh, this is very difficult. Ugh. This is not going as easy as I thought. Wait, I need to push this one down a little. Oh no. I swear I tried this earlier and I was actually not too bad at this. For some reason, now I suck. That's looking a lot better. And I think that's it. You just have to repeat this over and over again. So I've already done one earlier because this takes like hours to freeze. I think the popcorn maker is gonna be a lot easier. Because all you have to do is just literally dump some corn into this, and that's basically it. So I've got some tomato seasoning with oregano, so this is gonna be like an Italian style popcorn. I guess I should add the spices now, or should I do it later? It's too late now. Oh, it's got some garlic as well. So how do you open the microwave? Nope, that's not it. Oh, so the popcorn goes in, oops. I think the lid is gonna come off. No! Oh my god. No, no. Oops. It smells incredible, I gotta be honest. Like, it smells like popcorn that you buy somewhere fancy. This looks aesthetic AF though. It looks like I specifically placed it like that for like a Tumblr photo. I would say that every single time that I've made microwavable popcorn in my life, I accidentally burn the whole thing. Or sometimes just partially, like half of it is burned and the other one is not great. So all of these are perfectly cooked. So I'm definitely gonna improve of this machine. I think this actually made making popcorn in the microwave a lot more fun and a lot easier. Mmm. It's funny because I never thought about adding like tomato seasoning and oregano to popcorn or garlic. Like these are very garlicky, they're very delicious. I just had the best video idea. I should make a video in which I eat different seasonings on popcorn, or maybe a popcorn for 24 hours with different seasonings like breakfast seasoning. Give this video a like if you guys think that would be fun. So this is kind of what our freeze pop looks like. This has been in the freezer for like 5 hours. I can't believe I'm actually eating something healthy for once. How do you remove it? It doesn't come out. Maybe push it using this? I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's gonna go anywhere. Ugh. Oh, it's coming out. Oh my god, I see it. Ah, what? Oh. Oops. Not the most practical dessert to eat, but this was fun to make, so let's see if it tastes any good. I actually love this. This is actually pretty good. Oh my god. I wasn't really expecting it, but the best ones are the kiwi and the watermelon. The pineapple's a little bit too solid. It's very icy, but all of them are great. I really like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, only if you liked it. And also let me know in the comment section down below more ideas for 24-hour food videos, because I know you guys love those and I love making them. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to switch my notifications on, and I think that's basically it. We are weirdly close to 1 million subscribers, to the point where it might actually happen. I don't really know how to feel about it yet. I've just been eating my feelings. These are honestly incredible. Like, I can't emphasize how much I recommend that you guys try these. I've got a giveaway coming very soon, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I think I'm gonna announce it on Instagram first, and I think you guys are gonna love it. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video, which is probably tomorrow.